Welcome to the Farm Report. I'm David Geiger with News Radio 1040 WHO. More U.S. corn exports, according to the latest World Agricultural Supply and Demand Estimates report, now at 2.1 billion bushels. Global coarse grain production is 2.7 million tons higher, jumping past 1.5 billion, with an outlook of larger production, increased trade, and higher ending stocks. Global corn stocks are up a bit at 315 million tons. And total U.S. oilseed production for 2023 to 2024 is forecast down slightly at 121 million tons. Global oilseed production is projected at 661 million tons, 500,000 lower than last month. Soybean production is lowered 1.5 million tons, mainly on the 161 million ton Brazilian bean forecast, 2 million fewer. The global soybean outlook includes higher beginning ending stocks, lower production, and increased exports, as well as slightly lower ending stocks. Harvest may be over and done with, but grain transportation is ongoing, and a new proclamation announced by Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds will allow producers and co-ops to continue moving more loads on fewer trucks. It extends the harvest proclamation, upping weight limits and transportation of grain, fertilizer, and manure, now continuing through mid-January, allowing vehicles to reach weights of 90,000 pounds gross. It applies to all loads transported on highways within Iowa, excluding the interstate system, as long as they do not exceed the maximum axle weight limit by more than 12%. Let's jump into the marketplace. The Monday close saw a mixed trade. March corn ended the day 4 cents lower at $4.81.5, May down 3.5 to $4.94. Soybeans in January 32 cents higher at $13.36. March beans saw a boost of 30.25 to $13.53.25. Soybean meal in January $8.50 a ton in the green at $4.1320. Wheat in March 22.25 pennies weaker at $6.09.5. Hard red winter wheat in March down 28.75 to $6.32.25. Oats down 9.75 to $3.45.75. In the livestock market close, we saw February live cattle $1.53 higher to $166.97, while February live cattle $2.18 stronger at $167.90. Feeder cattle in January up $2.65 at $217.95, while March saw a boost of $2.52, reaching $2.1860. Lean hogs in February ended the day $1.65 lower at $67.33 a hundredweight. April hogs 80 cents in the red at $75.35. Well, thanks for joining this Farm Report. I'll be back here again tomorrow with the big show. I'm David Geiger.